Hello everyone, still on binary operations. In this tutorial, I would like to talk about the associative property of binary operations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Given an operation asterisk, provided this operation is associative in a particular non-empty set, let's call it S, then A asterisk B asterisk C is equal to A asterisk B asterisk C by grouping the first two and the last two. So this will remain equivalent for all A, B, C in the set S. All right. I'm going to make this video very short because it is applicable for all kind of set, natural numbers, real numbers, whatever. So let's assume we're in the set of real numbers. Pick three numbers at random because you can see here we are dealing with three numbers, three elements. Say for example we pick 3, 4, and 7. All right. Let's use addition to test. We're going to use the four basic operations. Let's start with addition. If we take 3 plus 4 plus 7, we would like to make sure it is the same thing as 3 plus 4 plus 7. If this is true, by grouping the first two and the last two, then we say that addition is associative in the set of real numbers. All right. You know we have to start from the bracket. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we have 7 here waiting for 7 to add. This is equal to 3 plus, what do we have here? 11, right? This is 11. To the left, we have 14. To the right hand side, we also have 14. You can see that 14 equal to 14. This shows that addition is associative in the set of real numbers. And in fact, in all sets, yes. So we say that addition, let me use real numbers, is associative. Now let us test for subtraction using the same numbers. I told you this is applicable for all, so we can stick to these three numbers. Now we have 3 minus 4 minus 7. Is this the same thing as 3 minus 4 minus 7? Group the first two and group the last two. Let's see whether we're going to get the same thing. So we should have a question mark here because we're asking, is this true? From this bracket, you can see we have 3 minus 4, which is negative 1. And outside, we still have negative 7. Is this equal to, we have 3 here minus, what is inside the bracket? 3 minus 7, which is negative 3. So we have negative 3. Two negatives will make it to be a plus. The left hand side, we have minus 8. The right hand side, we have positive 6, and you can clearly see that they are not the same. This implies that subtraction under the set of real numbers, and I told you in fact on all the set of numbers you know, is not associative. Now let us move on to multiplication. Now under multiplication, we're going to still use the same numbers 3, 4, and 7. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7. Group the first two, group the last two. Now let us confirm whether this is true. 3 times 4 here will give us 12, right? And we have 12 times 7 here. And here we have 3 multiplied by what? 28, right? 28. So the question is 12 times 7 the same thing as 3 times 28? All right, let's confirm. 12 multiplied by 7 is equal to 84. 84. Then we have 3 multiplied by 28. Is this the same thing? Definitely. So you can confirm that under the set of real numbers, multiplication is associative. Now let us move on to division. using the same numbers. We have 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7 equal to 3, 4, 7. Group the first two and group the last two. Okay, what is 3 divided by 4? It is the same thing as 3 divided by 4. This is divide by 7, right? And you know division by a number is the same thing as multiplying by its reciprocal. So it's the same thing as multiplying by 1/7. Let me finish simplifying the left hand side. This is 3 divided by 4 times 7 is 28. You see that? And we can even transform it to negative so we can see everything. 3 divided by 28 is approximately 0.1071. Let's leave it like this. Now let us move to other side and simplify. Is this the same thing as 3 divided by, what is this? This is 4 divided by 7. We can rewrite it as 3 multiplied by 7/4, right? You change this to multiplication and take reciprocal of this. And this is equal to 3 times 7 is 21 divided by 4. And what is 21 divided by 4? 21 divided by 4 is 5.25. 5.25. While this is 0.1 something. They are entirely different. Therefore, we conclude that division is not associative. So, in conclusion, you can see that addition and multiplication are the only operations that are associative. But subtraction and division are not associative. You see, we have been using the 4 basic operations to explain. Subsequently, you may see different operation that is definitely going to be defined. For example, you may see something like 2. Okay, let me use variables like a asterisk b to be equal to ab minus 2a. For example, this is definition. So whenever you are given another operation apart from the 4 basic operations, you know it has to always be defined. Alright, thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.